Ngatho muno ni undu wa gucoka andu ni matigwo na ihoru inene muno ni undu wa kiria Carol Katru akorwo akianirira mutumia wa mugithi artist Peter Miracle Baby. Carol Katru arekereria ndeto ciake ciĩgiĩ relationship yake na muthuri uyu wake. Ndeto ciakorwo ikirekererio ni Carol Katru kugerera nenda ciake cia ukinyaniria. Aumburite ndeto ciatiga andu na ciuria nyingi akiuga riu she is a single woman na gitumi kiria akorwo agitariria giatuma a choose gukorwo ari a single woman despite kumiriria mauritu maingi kihiko-ini giake na Peter Miracle Baby is what has left her followers very confused. Carol Katru akoretwo na mwaka muritu muno wa 2024 makiria due to her husband's sickness na wagi wa besha niguo Peter Miracle Baby akorwo akirigitwo. Wiso Carol Katru akigira guku nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria na kung'ethanira na andu aria makoretwo makirehe mihinga hariwe gucanga besha cia muthuri wake gukorwo akiamukira urigiti. Na ni undu wa maundu macio mothe maritu mahanikiire Carol Katru na Peter Miracle Baby, andu matina understand niki giki gioka gatagati wa aya eri na giakorwo gigituma magie na a breakup kana Carol Katru akinye haha rauga ati she's now a single woman. Her fans matigo makiri confused riria makienda kumenya what has caused this separation. Na niho Carol Katru akorwo akirekereria another post after posting wakwandikite akiuga I am single again. Athekete muno akiuga how can you send people to kill me jameni, mimi ni mtoto wa Mungu. Agitheko ringi na ni undu watu emoji tu twagutheka andu makorwo makiuga ati she is not serious with this breakup na angikorwo ringi tu no gutumara tumandu marie niguo arekererie rwimbo kuona both her and her husband they are artists and entertainers. Andu makiuga ati tweterere in a few days akorwo akirekereria rwimbo we don't know for sure if at all she is single.